from Eritrea. Do you know Eritrea?
No.
Eritrea is East Africa.
So okay, I understand. It's cool.
I think عندي برغزري وانت حمل كي خوينا.
Thank you so much. I'm Rose girl.
Where are you from, Andy?
I'm from Belarus. It's Europe.
What did you say? What?
Belarus. I'm from Belarus. It's Europe. It's near Russia and Poland. Maybe you know.
Belarus. I live in UK at this time, by the way.
What?
Belarus. Yes. My friend is right in this. Belarus. Okay, I understand.
Okay.
Are you married or single?
Single.
Single. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. I am not married but I am. My side is here. Live with me. What time is it?
And DJ Cat. Thank you very much.
Are your boyfriend Sandy? Thank you. What the hell?
It's my close friends. Yeah.
Huh?
It's my closest friend.
Oh, well. By the way, you look very beautiful.
Bastian, thank you so much.
Oh, well.
I'm princess today. Wow. I'm the Russian princess. Thank you so much, Bastian. Thank you. Thank you so much.
How old are you? I think it's danger question you girly.
Thank you. 1 second.
Canada.
Мне жену? No. She's married. She's married.
Thank you, Nazi. Thank you. What did he say?
I'm sorry. I don't hear you. What you say me last time?
I say, how old are you? I think danger question for girly.
1 second. Ребят, roses.
Huh?
No, I'm sorry.
No problem. I know. All my friend is danger.
Ой, не поняла.
I'm having the touch by the hat to the
Zaid. Okay. Zaid. You have girl? Zaid, yes?
Zaid is Zaide. My wife would have left.
It's your wife.
I am no.
No? Girlfriend?
Yes. Say girlfriend.
It's cool.
Oh, well.
Wow.
She is very. All okay with Zaide.
What mean Farah?
Don't read all people writing. Thank you, ma'am.
I don't understand что вы пишете мне? Say he.
My sister, don't stress if you. Antum, why writing بوخيتكم أنت? Why نعرف زلون؟
Okay, I don't read.
Don't read. Some people good, some people no problem. I am not stressed, by the way, by some.
Yes. What do you do in life?
What in my life?
Yes,
my life is with Zaide, my love. Anyways, Miss Zaide, you mean my worky?
My God, what happened in this my chat?
What?
What happened in this my chat? My God, you popular person? No, you might be blogger. No,
I am no understand what do you mean.
Okay, don't problem. Okay, I'm loser. Thank you so much for the battle. Nice to meet you.
And me, nice to meet you. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I wish you a good broadcast.
Thank you. You
Bye.
good girl. Respect. Full respect. Very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Ciao.
Ciao ciao.
كم زين طعمات لكم وانتم مسلكم سنة سرعة حجي سنة سرعة راسبيكت جرا تجارب كاريكم أنا كم زين لك زايدي كنا سمعتني زايدي كم أوقات قبل كوريس كادو زروم سرعة غيان جيهان دي أتخيل اللك أو عقاب لعت ولا دلك كله زي دلك أنا أي فوتون دي تخيلت أبحية دو عنقو مدري أبحية حمد جيري دخش انتاي داري اخذ هنا حنا انتاي من كنت لوزي الاخي قال له كاو بدعي بلاخ ونقو غمي طعميات والكاسة برقم سوري على قد سبعين ذكر بلي دقيق كان انجي نساد ولا كلها لقلق حاتي بيد غمدا انا الطعام يا راح اتسكاتها بالدار سرع دي غادر لك سرع دي غادر قزل لك هذا صراحة اللي خايف تقبل لا داي سدادي داي ويه عندنا قرني لو ما نقروكم يبرا هذا حملي واتي انت نعسك هجي سخا انت بالزيجي I think you 50-50 people أنا مرقب لك أنت خم قدو بفرق هذا قدو خم يبالي حقين يا زوجي 50-50 people إذا جماعة قبل مرقب سوري دبال دبلو حنتنا مودة تقصى قبري مشعو حنت سامبرايز كنا بروك من هذا تدادي خطن حبر خزري Hello. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am very good.
What our خير والله.
هو الجيب اللي قريب تاند خد داوت خل قال الجيب اللي سكيد حن الله خذ بالخزري صحيح اللي سكيد صحيح اللي بالخزري هو أخوكم كده هو عم بس أسوسي داك برو بلغا كوبرين كان دبرو خزري كم تانا يسمع كي كون عندك سايب كين له سداي ددي سداي ددي وي عندني مسلم مرحبا هو تعال تادم على كيف طاقاتنا بروخات دري اسكا من اسكا قمتو بروخات دري قمتو which is this girl